We just read it.
We gotta obey.
The commandments. Good, good, good. You gotta keep the commandments. So one of the commandments is don't eat pork.
Yeah, that too. So look, see, this is bad when I come out. When I read this, man, they got us so deceived that we don't know how valuable, how kings and priests they are, man, on this earth.
Right. That's what we're trying to show y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all are not black kids. Y'all are not Negroes or African Americans. Y'all are Israelites. Y'all are the children of God.
That's right.
That's why they got us in this situation. You know, some of these little white kids, they got pools in their house. They got daggone movie theater, bowling alley in their own house.
Right.
That's supposed to be ours, and it will be ours when Christ come back and redeem us. But you know how he gonna come back? Oh, he only gonna come back if we come back to him. If we start keeping his commandments. What is the commandment again? What's the one? One commandment. What we say? Don't do what? Don't eat pork. Don't eat bacon. Don't eat bacon. Don't eat shrimp, crab, and lobster. Yeah. Don't eat none of that. All that stuff at the bottom. Don't eat none of that. That's one way. There's one way y'all can come back to it. Keep the commandment. When mommy says she got bacon frying in them, man, I can't eat no bacon. I ate some cereal. I can't eat bacon no more.
Give me some turkey bacon, right?
Yeah.
Give me some beef bacon. It's all other stuff that we can eat, man. That's clean. We don't have to stay. Yeah, beef bacon.
Yeah. She said beef bacon.
Yeah.
Yeah. They got beef hot dogs. You got to watch what kind of hot dogs and bologna you eat.
That's right.
So they got pork. They got pork bologna, and they got pork hot dogs. But then they got beef hot dogs and beef bologna. You want to eat the beef bologna. Beef. Or chicken, but you don't want to eat the one that got beef, pork, and chicken.
What about grilled chicken?
Real chicken is good. Chicken is good. We can eat chicken. We can eat chicken. We can eat turkey. We can't eat pork. We can't eat shrimp. We can't eat crabs and nuts. Chicken is good. Chicken is good. Chicken is good.
You like chicken? That's good.
What about this one?
Which
one?
I can tell them two brothers.
Yeah, you can tell they just
in their face.
Yeah.
Who is? Him and her?
No.
Y'all twins?
And they twins too. They are.
Two sets of twins. Ain't that something? Man, y'all Israelites, man. Y'all are beautiful people. He got whooped. His enemy whooped him.
And that's actually a movie out for him made that Will Smith plays in.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's it.
I never seen it on Netflix.
Yeah.
This boy in my class name. My name in the Bible.
What's your name? Jeremiah isn't a Bible. He's a mighty prophet. Let me read one. We're going to read one scripture from Jeremiah. Hey, check this out. Jeremiah was a mighty prophet. Check this out, y'all. Look what Jeremiah says. Jeremiah 14:2. Listen to this. The word of the Lord that came to Jeremiah concerning the dirt. It says, Judah mourneth, and the gates thereof languish. You're Judah. We are Judah. We're all Jews. Y'all know what a Jew is? That's what Jesus is, a Jew. Instead of being a black person or a Negro or African American, Jesus was a Jew. That's what you are. Y'all are Jews. Jacob was an Israelite. He's the father of all the Israelites. Your name Jacob? That's a mighty name too.
That's mighty to go to.
Yeah, Jacob and Jeremiah. That's how we know y'all Israelites.
Yeah.
Hey, look. It says, Judah mourneth, and the gates thereof language. They are black unto the ground. Are y'all black? They say we black. We not really black, but that's the description. It's telling you that the Jews are black. The Jews are black. We're black. You're black. Jacob and Jeremiah in the Bible were black. Mighty names. Mighty
That's
names.
pretty significant that they named them.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's just showing y'all that y'all names in the Bible, what that mean? Y'all are part of the Bible. So are y'all. My name ain't necessarily in here. I had to get another name, a biblical name. Jehu. My real name is Carl. That's a white man name, man. One of my enemies. I was named after the enemy, man. You know what I mean? We named after our own enemies. What is somebody's birthday today? Well, you know, you thank the Lord for giving you another day. That's the main thing.
My birthday. My brother.
Is it? How old he turned?
13.
Okay.
My birthday is June. My birthday is June
Okay.
6th. Their birthday is June 5th.
Okay. Yeah, my daughter's birthday June 5th. What school y'all go to?
I go to Emory. 1, 2, 3, 4. We all go to Emory.
Okay. Y'all like it out there?
I like my teacher.
I tell you what, they learning because they
Yeah.
listen.
They listen.
Yeah. You can tell. That's right. Hey, and we're not telling y'all to go back to school or go somewhere and say, ooh, white people, I hate y'all. No, but what we showing y'all is so you can understand who they really are. Because a lot of you ever had somebody come up to you and be real nice to you,
Yeah.
but they really didn't like you. You know, they kind of was fake. Sometimes that's how they are. So you got to understand that before you go to them. Whenever you dealing with, you got to understand that. You're not hot, bro. You're not hot, big bro.
You ain't
He's
hot.
one of y'all. He
Really? Nice. Good. What's your What? I know you were talking about Carl.
No.
About J. Who? Okay. Oh, I had Proverbs 22:6. Hey, it's some mighty things. I'm glad y'all came. Y'all out here.
Yeah, that's a beautiful
awesome
thing to
thing.
see these young kings and queens come out here, man.
God.
Y'all can get y'all some more water, more muffins.
Get you some others out. Good. Hey, listen to this. A good name is rather to be chosen than great riches, and loving favor rather than silver and gold. So it's good to have a good name.
So I got a good name?
Yeah, got a mighty name. Hey, our name's gonna be changed. We gonna have to change our name. You know what I mean? Ahmad ain't a bad name. I like that name, but we want you a name out of here that means
Right.
something. You know what I mean?
My name is Amaj.
What is it? Amaj.
What about
Good
Granddad?
name too.
His
name Granddaddy.
call me Matilda.
Granddaddy.
Yeah. Who they call him granddaddy for?
Cause his really died. No, his birthday was on the same as his granddad.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the same as his granddad.
That's an awesome thing.
That's
Granddad
beautiful.
died. Granddad.
Oh, you hear that?
We all got the same one.
Okay.
Granddaddy said.
Look
He
at
would
this.
be calling me Matilda.
Matilda.
Matilda, is that like a movie or something, Matilda?
Yeah.
Yeah, Matilda.
You seen that? You seen the movie? Where that lady, the teacher was, the principal was grabbing people by her. She grabbing one girl by her hair and was slinging. her. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gee,
The choke.
you need this?
No,
Oh,
it
That's
says-
the other screw.
Proverbs 22:6.
oh, this didn't come from
Train
yours.
up a child in the
Goes
way
in
he
there,
should
and
go,
I ain't got it.
and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he shall not depart from it. That
Y'all
means
got
you
any
gotta teach
questions for
somebody.
him?
Yeah, y'all got any questions about the Bible? You gotta teach your child when they're young, and when they're
Right.
older, they'll remember it.
Time.
You know what I mean? That's why it's good for them to be young, learning this, and they might just take a little bit from it and finish playing, but later on they'll be like, man, I remember somebody was telling me don't eat pork.
It won't depart. They remember it.
Yeah.
We still remember times we was in church and stuff, man.
Yeah.
We're hearing the Lord and getting older now. Look where He got us, man. So we plant the same different kind of seed that we plant inside these youngins today.
No doubt.
No, I know, but like, I'm just saying, like, they be talking about the devil. So the what? They be showing me.
Them some wild pictures, ain't they?
What about that one?
Right here, same thing. It says these are the men who had continents named after them. So this one right here, this is a continent. This is a man named Leo Scipios Africanus. He conquered Africa basically, and they named Africa after him. That's why his last name is Africanus, and they call Africa Africa, right? And this one is Amerigo Vespucci. This dude, I think he was a map maker or something like that, and they named America after him. So America is named after a white man, and so is Africa. So if you say you're African American, you're saying that you come from two white men. Do you come from two white men? Nah, man, they dogs. They ain't like us. We Israelites. Can y'all say that? You an Israelite.
Right.
That mean you a child of the Most High God. That mean you in here. You a child of the Most High God. That's why they treat us so bad. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, but they still segregate us. You know, I mean, they kind of mix in a little bit here. You know what I mean? They still segregate us. They still, they don't want us out there in Farragut and Lenore City and places like that. They don't want us in the good part of town. You know what I mean?
Yep.
They segregate us, man.
Ain't that funny? Cause we gotta go to Oak Ridge, cause that woman going
yeah.
through her situation. But look
Yeah.
how they do this.
Right, right.
Yeah.
They put them all out here.
That's right.
That's crazy. But they'll put the worst of them out here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of them are plants. You know what I mean? To be out here just to figure out what's going on and certain shit.
You know, it's crazy to see that our people adapt to such trauma like this, man.
Yeah.
Like we literally want to stay bound with these chains on our necks, man, and continue going forward and living like this, brother. Like this is all we can get in life. That's
And
what
you know,
they
some
do.
of them think that they living now cause they
Yeah.
built it like this.
Yeah.
Oh no, they built this like this, man. They gonna be moving the map. That's why you got some white folks already here.
Yeah.
Man, we hopeless, man. We don't have any hope. We didn't know. That's what I'm saying. That's why this is life. We didn't know that Christ is coming to give us the earth. The world belonged to us. You know what I mean? So we thinking, oh, we just gotta settle for this. They going to heaven with us. We gonna be, you know,
Yeah, we all gonna be up there together and
Probably gonna
everything
be a-
that's happen.
having a ghetto in heaven. So we gonna be over there in the hood. You know what I mean?
Got your spot, I got my spot situation.
Nah,
No.
You gotta go.
nah. Let me get
You want some
Psalm chapter 2 verse 8.
Get your water. Water good for you.
Yeah, get you some water. It's beautiful though, man. The Lord sent us out here for these precious babies.
That's what it's
man.
about.
Because back in the day and stuff, man, you know, you see people normally drive by shooting and everything. Don't care, raise them up in drugs, sell them out for sex slaves and everything. But it's a beautiful thing to come out here in this place, man, and to see these young kings and queens, man, and try to gather them, man.
And